is going on, everyone? My name is Jeff, and Aurora Cannabis just reported their earnings report. I think there was a lot of positive things to take away from it. Of course, they did have some pretty big losses, but their revenue numbers were great. So similar to the video I made last week about Cron, I had a lot of people chime in and ask me to do a similar video about Aurora Cannabis, doing a 1-year price prediction. So I figured today would be a good day to do that, guys. Now let me explain the premise of this video, okay? This is strictly for fun, okay? I'm gonna take an educated stab at it. I do not think I'm gonna guess it right. You know, I don't know if anybody in the comment section is gonna guess it right, but guys, this is just for fun. We're just doing some price forecasting, okay? And who knows, 3 of us might guess it right, 10 of us might guess right, or none of us might. Like I said, just keep in mind this video is for fun. You know, I don't have a crystal ball. I don't claim to be able to predict stock prices correctly, but the date today is February 16th 2019, guys. Go down to the comment section and tell me what price do you think Aurora Cannabis will be trading at in 1 year. I'm really looking forward to some of these comments. We got some really good comments about Cron. I'm gonna do my analysis just a little different on Aurora. But real quick before we get started, if you have not done so yet, guys, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future content or update videos, and drop a like on this video if you found it useful. I really appreciate all the support. Now let's go ahead and get started. So I do think it's important to always observe history, okay? What was going on 1 year ago with Aurora Cannabis? Well, guys, I have February 2nd of 2018 marked on the chart right here. And as you can see, it opened at $8.35 that day, and it closed at $8.07, okay? So it was actually trading up higher a year ago than it currently is today. Now, like I said, a lot of things have changed. The whole landscape for the marijuana industry has changed over the past year. And we did see, you know, a big market correction that lasted from October to January. And I'm not even 100% sold on the fact that that is over yet. It does appear like we are getting back into a bull market, but that could change with the snap of a fingers. Because like I said, we fast forward to the last time Aurora traded, and it opened at $7.26 and closed at $7.05. So like I said, a lot of the reason Aurora Cannabis is lower this year than it was last year is because of how the overall stock market has performed. So we do have to factor that into this decision. Are we going to be in a bull market? Are we going to be in the middle of a recession? Are we going to be in a crash? Are we going to be in the biggest bull market in world history? Nobody really knows the answer to that, guys. So the overall economy did slow down for a little while. Like I said, it appears like it's regaining its momentum, but the only way we will actually know the answer to that question is through time and more earnings reports. And of course, there's a lot of other things like jobs reports, economic data, you know, the Fed, the housing market, oil prices. There is so much stuff to really consider to actually know and have a theory about where the market's going to be in a year from now. I'm actually going to make my prediction based on year-over-year revenue growth. So let's go back to their earnings report they had in November of 2018, and that was Q1 for Aurora Cannabis. Now this top section right here where I highlighted, guys, you can see that their revenue was up 262%, and that their cannabis revenue was up 237%, okay? So take that into consideration. Now let's move to this most current earnings report. Now this is their earnings from earlier this week, just 5 days ago, okay? So their revenue is now up 387% year over year. So a huge jump in revenue. And of course, keep in mind they did take some major losses, but the real way these stocks are getting graded and traded is going to be based off the year over year revenue growth. So from here, can they keep this pace up? Can they continue to keep growing and widening out that percentage, guys? I totally think they can. I would not be surprised to see that year over year growth at 450, maybe 500% growth on the next earnings report, and you might see revenues of maybe $55 to $60 million, okay? Like I said, I would not be surprised to see Aurora's revenues running somewhere between maybe 700 and 800% year over year in a year from now. So I'm going to put my prediction down in the comments just like I did last time, and it will be pinned in the very first comment you see in the comment section. So I'm really excited to see where everybody thinks Aurora is going to be trading at in a year. Guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope everybody has a good week of trading ahead of them. Thank you so much for watching the video.